Good morning, friends. Today, once again, you are welcomed in our Dwarka English spoken and grammar channel. Since a count of days, I have come again in front of you after taking a new chapter of grammar, that is conditional voice. How shall solve the sentences of this conditional voice? While writing answer of such kind of sentences, we don't have ideas about such kind of sentences. So it is not difficult to understand and to learn. Don't be fear about such kind of chapters. First of all, you must identify is it conditional clause, conditional sentence or not first of all. Then use the formula which is spoken by me now. That is, in the beginning of this voice, we must use first of all object, what has been given. Then conditional words, that is should. Then use be, and after that we must use past MVPP. Then another teacher says that V3, that is MVP. Then if in the given sentence is there any extraordinary words, means complements, we should take there. And after writing that, we must read it and then use by plus subject agent, means subject case. It was the information in fully English about these chapters. So now for the students who is learning in Marathi mediums and from rural areas, they are unable to understand such kind of chapters into English. So I shall turn this into the Marathi. कंडिशनल क्लॉजचा व्हॉइस करायचा झाल्यास पहिल्यांदा आपल्याला त्या वाक्यातील पी व्ही आणि ए व्ही या संदर्भात माहिती घेणं गरजेचं आहे. पी व्ही म्हणजे वाक्य ॲक्टिवाईजचं असते आणि ए व्ही म्हणजे ॲक्टिवाईजचं वाक्य आणि पी व्ही म्हणजे पॅसिवाईजचं वाक्य, म्हणजे कंडिशनल क्लॉजमध्ये. तर तुम्हाला सुरुवातीला पी व्हीचं फॉर्म्युला तुम्हाला माहीत असायला पाहिजे. जसा की मी आधी इंग्लिशमध्ये सांगितलं, आधी वाक्यातील कर्म, नंतर शूड, नंतर त्या ठिकाणी बी घ्यायचा, नंतर क्रियापदाचे तिसरे रूप घ्यायचे, काही लोक त्याला V3 म्हणतात ॲज इट इज. नंतर वाक्यात जर जास्तीचे शब्द म्हणजे जादाचे शब्द जर आले असतील तर त्या ठिकाणी ते जादाचे शब्द घ्यायचे आणि नंतर बाय प्लस कर्ता केस म्हणजे कर्ता एजंट अशी वाक्यरचना करायची आणि शेवटी पूर्णविराम द्यायचं. ही मराठीमध्येच माहिती आहे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल जर घेतलं तर असं येईल, राम should purchase new kinds of vegetable always. How shall solve this sentence with the help of the structure which has been spoken by me now, which has been told by me to you. What is the sentence? Ram should purchase new kind of vegetable from market every day. So from this sentence, according to the structure, we must recognize first of all what is the object. In the given sentence, the object is new kind of vegetable. So it should be take in the beginning. A new kind of vegetable, then should, then use be, then PP purchased, then use buy. Is there any complements? Always from market, then buy, and then use. If the given subject is name, write as it is by Ajay. So answer will be like that. New kind of vegetable should be purchased from market always by Ajay. It is a conditional voice. If you have problem about this such kind of sentences, so call me about as far as my phone number I have given. आणि तुम्हाला जर खरंच हे चॅनल आवडलं असेल आणि अजून काही या प्रकारचे ग्रामर संदर्भात नवीन नवीन व्हिडिओ बघायचे असतील तर माझ्या या चॅनलला लाईक, शेअर आणि सबस्क्राईब करा, जेणेकरून तुम्हाला नवीन जे व्हिडिओज अपलोड होतील तुम्हाला पाहायला मिळतील. ओके, बाय.